Hello everybody, it's your boy Phantom Light. Today we're gonna be playing hopefully gonna be super fun. If you're still excited to see the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. So, I think I have to get to a thousand subscribers. Okay, now we're gonna play. Yeah. I have a red and accept. Now let's start. Press 2. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we think a granny reaper. Bro, bro, Christmas like ended. Let's say this lemon. Did you finish your homework? Go study. No going out for you. Shut up. Seriously? Yeah. I'll reflect whatever. No, I don't care. Wait, this is the gift. Oh, this is the gift from the computer. But then by now we all know all the secrets, so password. Come on, ready. Yeah, and come on, you're so slow. 2002, and then we press OK. Press me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that for later. This is the day I'm gonna get the ending where I ring the bell a lot. I'm gonna try to get that. Okay, ring the doorbell. Okay. Yeah, go. Why are you so slow? Uh, Probably. I don't know. Don't ask me, okay? Okay. Yeah, the photo of the picture. What did you just go and edit? Nah, it's just a game. Sheesh. She didn't even speak. But she didn't even speak. She just went. She didn't even say, I'm coming. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Let's go. Hey, hey. No, 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 no. Let me close that so they don't realize. Close the computer. Come on, close. Ring the doorbell. Oh, she's so much faster. Oh no. What? No. Ah, really, mom? Then what will I do now? How will I, oh my goodness, mom. Really, you have to have Christmas tree. Hmm. Teet, teet. Wait, where is she? Did she stop bothering it? How about no? Not enough. That's never enough for me. Okay, now let's do this again. Sorry guys if I'm not talking to you a lot, but I'm not focusing. I really want to get one of the endings. Oh, I don't know your hockey team. Tell them, not me. I don't care. Oh, duh. Okay. Oh no. Oh. Okay, okay. Sheesh. I got caught. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, man. This is so annoying. Can I please like sweep you? No? Okay. You look ugly by the way. How could you miss that? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah, do all this. Okay, if you were me, you would have done it slower, much slower. So stop saying, faster, hurry up. You're an idiot. No, I'm not. Is that enough for you? Stupid. Yeah, yeah, just get me back. Great. A stupid ant. Oh, what's all going on? Oh no, this is so bad. Can't believe what's happening to you, man. Oh my god. I hate this game a lot. I hate this game a lot. Nobody cares, but this game died anyway. This game like came years ago, man. This game died. No one plays it anymore, dude. So don't even try. Blah blah blah. Play now. Nobody's gonna play your stupid game, okay? Just don't even try. But it's died. The game died. Seriously, trust me. Trust me. There's no point. Just trust me. Like there's no point. Population doesn't go with the Christmas tree. Open the gate already. Now here we go again. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. Let's open the gate already. Uh, sheesh. Like, what an angry mom. I don't know. Ask yourself, buddy. Pump, pump. I don't care about what you say. Just do it yourself, okay? I don't care. I don't freaking care. Nobody cares. No. No. Okay, okay, okay. Sheesh. Wow. What a mom. Bro, who's taking all these footsteps? Is it you, mom? Hey! Don't make fun of me. Terrible? What's terrible, buddy? Oh yeah, this. Now. No, you don't. This is easy mode. Parents don't come check on us. This is my last try, by the way. So I have to do the best of it and make that mom rage. didn't open the gate. I think this is the last try, hopefully. She back to her room. Hopefully, I ain't dealing with her anymore. Oh, nope, not enough. Go water the Christmas. Womp womp, Dad. I don't care, buddy. You have an issue? Take some tissue. Have some tissue. If you would like. She's still watching that tree. Well, you're not even watching. You're just standing. You're staring at it. Oh, now you are. Okay, now she stopped watching it. Me. I'm the brave out there. I'm brave. I'm brave, right? Ain't I? Come on, guys. I know it was me, right? When I was her. Okay. Now this game is actually like so hard and like it's fan favorite these days. Yeah, super famous now. Come on, bro. How many times I have to? No, I have to ring the doorbell. On prompt, I guess. Problem, not my problem. Okay, I guess we have to wait for him. Uh, 1 minute. Hey, wow. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna wait for him. Yes, he's going back. Yeah, go watch your stupid hockey match again, okay? Okay, he's back. Yeah, he's blind. Is it a problem? Again? Sheesh. We have to wait for her. I don't know. Well, what the hell do you want? Stupid. Okay. Okay, go check your phone. Your poor phone that might even cost £1. Okay. I think she went back, right? Let me make sure. Yeah, she's nowhere to be found. Come on, open the door. No, no, I'll never stop until you have enough. Guess. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, we can do this. I believe it, guys. Believe in me. I believe this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. What, does she not open the door? I don't know. Just open the door, please. If she does not open the door, we're gonna continue next video, okay? But she's taking too long. Oh my goodness, Dad. Just stop yapping, okay? Okay. Now, oh please. Okay. Three more tries. Three more tries. Three more tries. If she doesn't, then we're gonna end that video. Come on, come on, come on, please. Please, I want to do this already. Oh my god, mom, you are the worst. Like the literal worst. Worst, 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 worst. Seriously, man. Oh my god, you stupid little. Oh my goodness. Come on, I just want to do this. Oh my. Okay, this game is actually hard, guys, to be honest. I even can do that. Oh my god. Dad, can you shut up? Um, I get. Oh my goodness. What a mother. She cares so much about the Christmas tree. Bruh, Christmas like ended a month ago. Forget it. Bruh, school will be runway. You have to end Christmas in your game. Come on, seriously. I'm being serious, okay? Okay. Okay, my goodness, man. Let me see, where is she? Is she watering? She's still watering that tree. Oh my goodness. Yes, now she's gonna go back. Finally. We can do this. 3 more tries. So actually, see if will end and what? Okay. Now she's back. Oh, 2 more tries. And then we're gonna try this again next video. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I haven't done video in months. I know I took too much. Oh, I have to close that 100%. Okay, yeah. Seriously, man. This game is impossibly hard. Super hard, man. The what? Bro. Chill, 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 chill. Open it. Open it. One more try. I don't know. Just ask yourself. And what? And what? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Say it. So say it. Say it. Say it. Run. Wow. Okay. OMG. Oh. Um. Ask yourself, man. Okay, let's try everybody. It doesn't work. Oh, please. Okay, last one. Last try, last try. This is the serious last try. And then I'm gonna end this video and see about this again in the next video. I think they deleted this one. I think I cannot get this anymore. I don't know why did you guys delete it exactly, but they just deleted it, I think. That's what I think. Oh no more, my iPad is about to die. So this is the actual last try. Oh, the game is gonna be lagging a lot. Open the door. No way, man. Okay, guys. You know what? We're gonna end the video here. Thanks and peace out.